In this video, we will look at the solutions to the problems from the practice exam. These problems required us to use the order of operations. Problem 1, 14 divided by 7 times 2 plus 3. If we look at our list of steps for the order of operations, we see that parentheses come first. We don't have any operations in parentheses, so we move on to exponents. We don't have any exponents either. The next step involves both multiplication and division. These two operations are actually part of one step. They're not two separate steps. We do multiplication and division in order from left to right. So we won't always be doing our multiplication before our division. We see this in this problem right here. As we look at the problem from left to right, we actually see that division comes first. So that's the first operation that we will perform. 14 divided by 7 is 2. So now I have 2 times 2 plus 3. My next step will be to do the operation of multiplication. 2 times 2 is 4, so I have 4 plus 3. So my last step is addition, and I have a final answer of 7. Problem 2. As I look at my list of order of operations, I see that I want to do any operations in parentheses first. Inside of the parentheses, I see I have exponents and addition. I will do the exponents first. 5 squared becomes 25, but I'm still working inside the parentheses. 25 plus 1 becomes 26. Now I look at the operations that I have left. I have subtraction because I see 6 minus 4, but then I have times 26, which is multiplication, and then I have plus 18. So I have operations of subtraction, multiplication, and addition here. I should perform the operation of multiplication next. 4 times 26 is 104. So my next step is 6 minus 104 plus 18. So now all I have left is addition and subtraction, and I work these operations in order from left to right. So I will do 6 minus 104 as my first step, giving me negative 98 plus 18 for a final answer of negative 80. In the last problem, I have to determine if the left side of the equation is equal to 28. There are no parentheses or exponents, so I perform multiplication and or division in order from left to right. I have multiplication, so this becomes 2 plus 18 minus 2 equals 28. Now I work my addition and subtraction from left to right. First, I will do 2 plus 18, so I have 20 minus 2 equals 28, which gives me 18 equals 28. This is a false statement. So my answer for this problem would be